Welcome back to our channel, guys, and today we about to piss Whitney off. All right, I got an epic, a nasty prank today. All right, so this is what I'm using, right? So I got some shoes by the front door right here that I'm borrowing, and I got a dye head in a room. So we finna do a cheating prank, y'all. Bear with me, all right? Cause I'm pretty sure it's gonna get real nasty. Let's get straight to it. Before I set up, hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright guys, so she's supposed to be go shopping right now. So let's get her attention. I'm gonna call her phone. Real quick and just make like some moaning noises. That way she can go ahead and come straight home, alright? Because I know that's what's gonna get her there. Let me set this up real quick. Got a few cameras to work with. So we're gonna call her first. We're gonna go from there. Let's see.
Hello? Hello? Jessie.
Alright, I hung up. So let's see what happens. If she called back. Where is she gonna call back? If she don't call back, it's gonna be a problem. She gonna be mad. Jamaicans got anger issues, yo, I'm telling you. Have you ever went to Jamaica? Try to order some food? Man, she calling back. Alright, let's call her back and do it again. See what happens.
Hello? Jessie.
Set up, finish setting up. But she ain't gonna be here that fast, so let me hurry up, finish setting up.
A few moments later.
Alright, she's here. Y'all like my white woman? Alright, let's get to it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. okay.
Why you play so fucking
It's a
much?
prank, babe. Hey. Hey, you hit me. Hey, it was a prank. It's a prank, love. Look, see? Hey. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay, baby. You vexed?
Leave me alone.
You vexed? Oh, look, y'all. She upset. It's alright. You better be able to take what you can dish, right, y'all? She was giving me with some pretty crazy pranks, wasn't she?
Leave me alone.
Yes. It's okay. It's alright. It's just a prank.
That no funny.
It's just a prank, babe. Just a prank.
Move. Move from said at me. Move.
You mad?
Leave me alone.
You vexed?
That no funny.
You upset? You hurt? You hurt? It's okay. Hey, if y'all like that prank, let me know in the comments. You broke your doll head thing.
You broke it.
You broke that thing. Look at it. You done tore my white woman. Y'all see that? Y'all see Jamaicans are some very aggressive people. You okay?
Leave me alone.
You hurt?
That's not funny, Jessie.
It's okay. You'll be alright. Hey, if y'all think she broke her doll head, let us know below. If you think I broke her doll head, let us know. Comment below. And we appreciate all the love and support you guys been giving. You guys been awesome with the comments. You guys been awesome with the subscribing. Just in general, you guys been really dope. So we appreciate it. You guys are funny. Some of those comments be having me cracking up, man. So keep it up, you guys. Stay tuned for the next one.